In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a saved payment method from your Hostinger account. Let's start by getting signed in. Head to Hostinger and log into your account the way you normally do. Make sure you're using the correct profile, especially if you manage multiple sites or services, because payment methods are tied to a specific account. Once you're in, we'll move straight to the area where payment details live. Look for the section labeled Billing or Payment Methods. Depending on interface updates or your region, this might also appear under Account, Billing, and Payments, or simply Payments. The goal is the same. Open the page that lists your saved cards or other payment options. Give the page a moment to load and you should see entries like a card brand and the last 4 digits, or another identifier for the method on file. Now find the specific payment method you want to remove. If you have more than one saved, double check the details so you're removing the correct one. When you've identified it, look for a button or link that says remove or delete. Sometimes these actions are tucked behind a small options icon, often 3 dots, next to the payment method. Click that and choose the removal option. Hostinger will typically ask you to confirm this change. This is a safeguard to prevent accidental deletions. Review the confirmation message, especially if the method is set as your default or tied to automatic renewals. If everything looks right, go ahead and confirm the removal. After confirming, the page should refresh or show a quick success message. To be thorough, scan the list again and make sure the payment method no longer appears. If you still see it, try refreshing your browser or reopening the billing or payment methods page. Occasionally, a brief delay or cached view can make it seem like the change didn't go through when it actually has. A quick tip: if you rely on auto-renew for hosting, domains, or add-ons, keep in mind that removing a payment method can affect upcoming renewals. It's a good idea to plan your timing so you don't run into service interruptions. Also, if a method can't be removed because it's actively in use, you may see a notice explaining why. In that case, review the message and follow any on-screen guidance. That's it. You've successfully removed a saved payment method from your Hostinger account. Thanks for watching, and take a moment to verify everything looks right before moving on to your next task.